mind-blown chef here with the video that's gonna blow your mind. This is Cooking Made Simple. Hors d'oeuvres, anyone? Okay, we are gonna take a date. We are gonna stuff it with a smoky almond. We are gonna wrap it with bacon. We are gonna garnish it with blue cheese and then also balsamic reduction. Ooh, this is a good one. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your date, your almond. These are pitted dates, so there's no seed, but you're gonna act as if the almond is a seed. Stuff it inside, and then you're gonna roll it into the bacon. Just like 2 times over, and then take your knife and cut. And then we're gonna place it on the cookie sheet like this, with the cut side down, so it'll all cook, it won't unravel itself. Go ahead, set your oven to 350.
Oh, look it! It's like a little piggy in a blanket, except it's no piggy. It's a date.
Once you got them all wrapped up, laid out nice on a sheet tray, we're gonna put them in the oven. And basically what you're doing, you're just cooking the bacon all the way through. So it was 10 minutes. We're gonna now remove our bacon from the cookie sheet and see how it stayed together because I put the cut side down. And we're gonna place it on your plate, and then we're gonna garnish it with the rest of the ingredients. The blue cheese, the balsamic, and then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of parsley for color. And there it is, guys. A perfect hors d'oeuvre for any party. Only took about 13 minutes to make. Sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.